I want some water.
Oh my God. I cannot believe I don't know what to say. That's about all I can say, that I don't know what to say.
Is it much more fun than fish stupid falls? Where you don't see fish, you just see them jumping. By the way, I already asked what flight do we use?
Somebody asked you?
Yes, exactly.
What did you tell them?
No, keep it around. Piece of fun. What else was supposed to? I'm not sharing my secrets. Everybody knows about this guy. We just need to tie it properly. But did it work, like I was telling you? And you saw it right there. I found the salmon.
The thing is that I don't see the fish. Unless they're really close to me, otherwise I can't see them.
Because you fall casting a lot. You need to allocate, come closer to it. Look at it, make sure that you know where it is. Then go away and cast it. Yeah. You deserve it.
I'm shedding blood for this fish.
No. A lot of fun?
Jumping right in front of the guy. Oh, I need to put a split shot now. Oh, is this thing still recording? Yep.